In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very easy tutorial on how to fix a random block screen issue or problem in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. The first solution that you can do is that you need to proceed here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on Device Manager. Once you click on it, you'll be able to open the device manager window where here you need to find for display adapters. Click on this forward arrow key and there you can see your graphics driver. Make a right click and click on update driver. So it will up you to choose two options. Proceed to search automatically for drivers. And if it says that the best drivers has been determined or it has been already installed here in your Windows, you need to close this window and by that, select your graphics again, make a right click, and this time click on Uninstall Device and click on Uninstall. Once you've do it, make sure that this box is unchecked and click on Uninstall, and then restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, try to check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to move on to the second solution. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. Now, the second solution and last solution that you can do is that here at the bottom search bar, please type for panel. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until you'll get to see a best match, which is the control panel system to continue. Once here, please navigate to the right side and click on this open option to proceed. In your control panel window, you need to change the view like this. So go with view by, click on this down arrow key and proceed to large icons. So once done, navigate on the power options. In my case, it is being placed here at the fifth column next to keyboard. Click on that one. Once you click on it, in a few moments, you'll be able to see your selected power plan, which is balance in my case. In your case, it might be high performance or power saver. So click on change plan settings next to it, and you'll be able to see two options. Proceed to change advanced power settings. Click on that one. Once you click on it, you'll be able to open this small window where here you need to scroll down and find for PCI Express. Okay, so once you find it, you need to double tap to expand it. And there you can see link state power management, double tapped. And here you need to proceed to on battery. Please click on this down arrow key and please turn it off. Okay, and here at the plugged in, turn it off as well. And then click on apply and then click on OK and then restart your computer. Once you restarted it, your problem will be fixed. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.